Toyota built some of the most reliable cars on earth using a rule most companies actively avoid. Every mistake gets studied on purpose before anyone's allowed to move on. You do the opposite. You make a mistake, you feel bad about it for 10 minutes, and you move on so fast you never actually find out why it happened. That's why you keep making the same one, not because you're careless, because feeling bad and learning something are two completely different processes, and you've been mistaking one for the other. There is a word for the actual process. It's called Hansei, structured self-reflection. Here is exactly how it works. Step 1. Separate guilt from data. This isn't about forgiving yourself faster. Forgiveness closes the file. Hansei opens it. Guilt feels productive because it's uncomfortable, but discomfort isn't analysis. It's just noise standing in the way of the actual investigation. Hansei forces a hard cutoff. You get a short window to feel it, then you switch into a completely different mode. One where the mistake is treated like a case file instead of a character flaw. Quick action. The next time you sleep, set a 2-minute timer and feel bad for those 2 minutes. Fully. No editing it. When the timer ends, stop feeling and start investigating. Write down exactly what happened in order to filing a report on someone else. Not why am I like this, just the sequence of events. That's the entire switch, and it's the part most people skip entirely. Step 2. Find the one decision point. Most mistakes don't happen at the moment they become visible. They happen several steps earlier, at one small decision that felt unimportant at that time. Toyota's version of this is asking why 5 times in a row until you hit the real cause instead of the first excuse. Quick action. Pick your most recent slip up and ask, why did that happen? 5 times, each answer building on the last. If it's a spending mistake, don't stop at I bought something I didn't need. Keep going until you hit the actual trigger. I was scrolling because I was avoiding a hard conversation. If it's a work mistake, keep going past I ran out of time until you find the actual planning gap underneath it. Step 3. Write the rule, not the regret. A regret is a feeling. A rule is an instruction your future self can actually follow. Hansei ends with converting whatever you found into one specific, concrete rule, not a vague promise to do better. So quick action. End every reflection with one sentence, starting with next time I will. Not I need to be more careful. That's not a rule. It's a feeling wearing a rule's clothes. Something like, next time I feel the urge to check my phone before writing, I close the laptop lid for 5 minutes first. Specific enough that you could hand it to somebody else and they'd know exactly what to do. Listen, you don't need to feel worse about the mistakes. You need to spend less time feeling and more time asking. Pick one recent slip up and run it through Hansei today. Feel it for 2 minutes, ask why 5 times, and write one rule. If you're ready to stop repeating the same mistake on a loop, comment Hansei below. But even the best rules falls apart the day everything goes wrong at once. That's the next video, what the Stoics actually did when the worst happened anyway. See you there!